Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. Love from Lizi's September 2023 card kit is now available. It's called A Spot of Autumn. If you are interested in purchasing the kit or any of the add-ons, I do have links provided in the description box below. So let me show you everything that's included in the kit. There are 5 sheets of cardstock. These are all 8.5 by 11 inches in size. We have white, black, red, orange, and green. There are 2 12 by 12 sheets of cut-aparts. The sheets have been cut in half simply to fit inside the box. One side has lots of images and sentiments. My favorite is the hello sentiment and all of the beautiful sunflowers. If you're not a fan of using the cut-aparts, you can always use the pattern on the opposite side. Here's a look at the other 12 by 12 sheets. These are all 3 by 4 inch cut-aparts. And again, you can always use the pattern on the other side. It has a notebook lining on the other side with a couple of watercolor stripes. Next up is the 6 by 6 pattern paper. It is double-sided. There's a total of 17 sheets. And if it's just too hard to decide which side of the paper to use, Lizi does have the 6 by 6 paper available as an add-on. I'll go through the papers quickly so you can get an idea of what's included. Lots of beautiful florals. There's some plaids, polka dots, stripes. I love this design with the pink leaves, so pretty. There are several tone-on-tone patterns. And I like that the colors work well for masculine or feminine cards. Here's another pretty plaid design in autumn colors. There are a couple designs that have animal spots, which is really fun. There's a grid design, more animal spots, a pretty yellow with white flowers, another tone-on-tone, beautiful white flowers on a dark blue background, and the final sheet sort of looks like a wood grain in a pretty pink color. Next we have a 12 by 12 sticker sheet, and there are tons of stickers, lots of icons and sentiments, and many of the stickers have a beautiful coppery orange foiling, so they're super shiny. My favorite images are the cameras and all the pretty leaves. The peel-offs this month are the pinstripe style in tangerine orange color with gold overlay, so they're really shiny. Here's a look at the stamp set. There are 2 sentiments, Hello Autumn and Hello Fall. We have some tiny little leaves and hearts. Then the large, sort of an animal print pattern. And this stamp coordinates with the stencil. You can stamp out the image, then lay the stencil on top to get a really fun animal print background. You can also use this stencil on its own without the stamp, but the 2 sets are designed to work together. Next is a sheet of puffy stickers. These are so pretty, perfect for embellishments. Lots of leaves and flowers. The colors and designs coordinate with the pattern paper, and it's nice that the puffy stickers don't add a lot of dimension. Lizi's also included some deco mesh in orange. You'll receive 30 centimeters. This adds lovely texture if you wrap it around your card. You could also use it as a stencil to add a fun detail. Now moving on to the embellishment bag. There are 8 rolls of washi tape, different widths, and all of the designs coordinate with the pattern paper. The designs with the plaid and animal prints are really fun. I also like the wide width with the sunflower floral design. The next item is a bag of ultra fine warm gold glitter. This is super fine, so be careful if you open this bag because you will get glitter everywhere. I'm not a big fan of using glitter, but it would look really pretty with the animal print stencil. Lizi's also included 3 animal print clips. These are super sturdy paper clips, and it has the animal print as a heart at the top of the paper clip. They are fairly thick, so they will add a lot of dimension to your card. The final item included in the kit is a sentiment die. This is thank you. It's always nice to have a large sentiment, and when you cut this out, it is one piece. So no fussing with all the individual letters for the sentiment. So that's everything that's included in Love from Lizi's September 2023 card kit. I did receive a few add-ons. Lizi has an add-on kit bundle. She's been doing that the past several months and they've been super popular. So if you really enjoy the kit and you want to extend it even more, you can grab the add-on bundle. The add-on kit bundle includes 3 sheets of cardstock. There's black pearlescent, craft, and also a soft orange pearlescent. And these are 8.5 by 11 inches in size. It also includes the 2 12 by 12 cut apart sheets. These are the same sheets that are included in the kit. The add-on kit also includes the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. I didn't receive it in mine. You'll get the 17 sheets of 6 by 6 pattern paper, and this is the same pattern paper that's included in the September kit. I'm going through them quickly since I already showed them earlier in the video. If you like the September kit but want a smaller version, the add-on kit bundle is a good option. The add-on bundle also includes the same sheet of puffy stickers, so you can have even more of the beautiful flower and leaf designs. This really is a mini version of the full September kit. The last 2 items in the kit are not included in the September kit. The first one is a sheet of peel-offs. This is the Twinkle style in copper mirror color, and currently this is only available in the add-on bundle. And the final items in the kit are 3 dies. One is a row of trees, then there are 2 individual trees, and I really like the nice large size. So that's everything that's included in the add-on kit bundle. Now moving on to the peel-off bundles. There are 2 4-packs. The set on the left is the pinstripe. It includes brown mirror, gold holographic, yellow, and ruby red mirror. The set on the right is the variety bundle. It includes copper mirror in straight, white with gold overlay in the straight design, gold mirror mini hearts, and racing green in mini circles. Lizi also has a 6-pack pinstripe. It includes copper mirror with gold overlay, copper mirror, brown with gold overlay, gold, gold moon dust, and black with gold overlay. I love using Lizi's peel-offs, and the bundle packs are always a really good price. The next add-on is the specialty cardstock bundle. There are 6 sheets. 5 of the sheets are single-sided and 1 is double-sided. The set includes gold pearlescent, chocolate brown pearlescent, gold embossed, red pearlescent, copper satin, and bronze pearlescent. The bronze pearlescent color is double-sided. The final add-on I received is 6 by 6 specialty paper. There are 12 sheets. You'll get 2 of each design. The first design is a beautiful white marble with copper foiling. And this is really nice and thick cardstock. The next 2 sheets are a black marble with the copper foiling. And we have 2 sheets of copper pearlescent, 2 sheets of copper mirror, 2 sheets of copper glitter. And this is a nice smooth paper, so that glitter won't make a mess at all. And the final 2 sheets are copper mirror satin. This will be a great set to add in with the pattern paper in the kit. I'm always a fan of using specialty cardstock. And Lizi specialty cardstock bundles do tend to sell out quickly, so if you are interested, I would suggest not waiting. Now here's another look at Love from Lizi's September 2023 card kit. It's called A Spot of Autumn. As I'm recording this voiceover, the kit and most of the add-ons are still available, and I do have links provided in the description box below. This is a monthly kit, so quantities are always limited. The only way to guarantee receiving a kit is to sign up and subscribe. And coming soon, I will be sharing my card video using this beautiful kit. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.